Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're talking about setting financial goals that can really change your life. Whether you're just getting started or want to improve your plan, these tips will help you succeed. Let's get started. First, you need to decide what you want. Imagine yourself in 1, 5, or even 10 years. Do you want to own a house, start a business, or retire early? Whatever it is, write it down. This makes your goals feel real and gives you something to work towards. Next, let's make your goals SMART. This doesn't mean they're intelligent, though that helps too. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying, I want to save money, try, I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house in the next 2 years. This is clear and gives you a path to follow. Now let's prioritize. You might have many goals, but trying to do everything at once can be too much. Rank your goals by importance and urgency. Focus on the most important ones first, then move on to the others. This keeps you organized and motivated. Let's not forget about budgeting. A good budget is super important. Track your income and expenses carefully. Find areas where you can cut back and save that money for your goals. Remember, every penny saved helps you build your future. Another important tip is to break down your goals into smaller steps. If your goal seems too big, you might give up. For example, if you want to save $10,000 in 2 years, break it down to saving about $417 each month. This makes the goal feel easier and helps you track your progress. Automating your savings is also a great idea. Set up automatic transfers to your savings accounts. This way, you're saving without even thinking about it. It's an easy way to make sure you're always working towards your goals. Finally, don't forget to review and adjust your goals regularly. Life is full of surprises, and your financial situation might change. Regularly checking your goals ensures they stay relevant and achievable. Don't be afraid to change them if needed, and there you have it. Setting financial goals doesn't have to be scary. With a clear vision, a good plan, and a little discipline, you can achieve your financial dreams. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Until next time, happy saving.